Hello all, I am PW Hingle working as an assistant professor at Sanjivani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. So up till now we have discussed the application of impulse momentum principle on the plate which is fixed and kept perpendicular to the jet and the plate which is inclined to the jet. Now next case is when the jet strike the cut plate at center. Then how to get the equation for force exerted by the jet in this case. Okay, so of course there are three cases here. So we'll discuss one by one. First one is what? Jet strike the curved plate at the center. So let a jet of water strike the fixed plate at the center. The jet after striking the plate comes out the same velocity. Okay, means v is the velocity before striking and v will be the velocity after striking. And that v will be having two components. How we are getting that two components that we will discuss. Now velocity at outlet of the plate can be resolved into two components. One is in the direction of jet, other is perpendicular to the direction of jet. The component of velocity in the direction of jet is minus v cos theta. Okay. Now see the case. The case is what? Jet strike the fixed chord plate. This is fixed one. Okay. Plate is fixed one. And the jet strike at the center of plate. So jet after striking at the center of jet, it will comes out with the velocity v, but it will be having two components. That is what? Because it is coming uh, at an angle theta. Okay, so v will be coming out at an angle theta. This is what? Theta angle. Now see, this is theta angle, and this angle from this point to this point is nothing but angle of deflection of jet. Okay, the angle which jet get deflected at outlet. Okay, angle which jet is get deflected. So it is what? This complete angle is what? From this point to this point, it is 180. Okay, so 180 minus theta. This is very important. Now the initial velocity with which jet strike or before striking is what? V. And final velocity will be what? In x direction it is v cos theta. In y direction it is v sin theta. Again, this v cos theta will be minus. Why it is minus? Because it is in a direction opposite to the flow direction. Okay. So again, I will read this. The velocity at outlet of the plate can be resolved into two components. One is in the direction of jet and other is perpendicular to the direction of jet. So component of velocity in the direction of jet is minus v cos theta. Why it is minus? Because it is in the opposite direction. So here it is written minus or negative sign is taken as the velocity at outlet is in the opposite direction of jet of water coming out from the nozzle. Now the component of velocity perpendicular to jet is what? V sin theta. You see here, this is V sin theta. Okay. So now force exerted by taking reference of impulse momentum principle. Now what is impulse momentum principle? It is F dt, F into dt equal to m into dv. Then F equal to m by dt. If you are shifting dt in right hand side direction, then you are getting F equal to m by dt. M by dt is mass per second. This is what? Mass per second. In bracket velocity difference, that is v1x minus v2x. Why initial minus final? Because there is an impact of water on the plate. Okay, if the plate will have an impact on water, then it will be v2x minus v1x, that is final minus initial. So these are the sign conventions which you have to keep in your mind. So fx equal to mass per second in bracket v1x minus v2x. What is v1x? It is the initial velocity in the direction of jet. So it is v, and final velocity in the direction of jet is minus v cos theta. You see here, this is initial velocity. Okay, initial velocity, and this is final velocity in x direction. Since we are interested to calculate equation for fx. Okay, therefore fx equal to what is mass per second? It is rho a v in bracket v minus of minus v cos theta. So therefore you are getting rho a v in bracket v plus v cos theta. So finally equation is what? Rho a v square in bracket 1 plus cos theta. Similarly, Fy equal to mass per second in bracket v1 minus v2y. What is initial velocity in direction of y? It is 0. And v2y is what? V sin theta. Why it is 0? Because the water is flowing in a x direction. So there is no y component. Correct? So therefore Fy equal to minus OAV square sin theta. And the negative sign means that force acting in the downward direction. Now in this case, angle of deflection of jet is 180 minus theta. So I told you how we are getting 180 minus theta? This angle. Okay. From this point to this point, it is 180 minus theta. This point to this point is 180. Okay. So we'll discuss this later.